We want we want to change 2.3 times 10 to the 14th inches. We want to change that to kilometers. And so what we want to do is multiply this by some fraction where inches will cancel and you'll be left with kilometers. So for inches to cancel, I need to have inches in the denominator down here. And they gave you the formula. It says 1, the conversion factor. 1 kilometer is approximately 3.9 times 10 to the 4th inches. And there's a key word here, which the following is closest to the average. If you see the word closest, usually what that means is you can mess with your numbers to make the math easier. So let's see what happens here. So sure enough, inches cancels. And I'm left with 2.3 times 10 to the 14th kilometers over 3.9 times 10 to the 4th. Well, 2.3, we can round that to 2, and we can round 3.9 to a 4. That's how I'm messing to make my math easier. And that would give me 0.5, 2/4 is 1/2. That's 0.5 times 10 to the 10th. Because when you divide like bases, you subtract your exponents. But if I look at my answers, they have one number to the left of the decimal point. So I need to take one of these 10s away. 10 times 10 to the 9th, that would give me 10 to the 10th. But let's multiply this 10 times 0.5, and I get 5 times 10 to the 9th. And that's going to be answer B.